Hey there, freelancers and agencies. Are you ready to step up your game on Upwork? Presenting AIBidAssist, your ultimate secret weapon to conquer Upwork. Okay, let's face it. Upwork is like the Olympics of freelancing. Everyone's sprinting for the gold, and AIBidAssist is your coach, helping you win the race. Ever felt lost in the sea of proposals? AIBidAssist is here to rescue you. Say goodbye to the proposal grind. It's AI power time. Let's break it down. AI-generated content can be revolutionary. It's a speed booster, but does it lack that personal touch? But hang on, AIBidAssist isn't just any AI tool. It's your ultra-fast, detail-obsessed, evolving sidekick. Now, picture this, AIBidAssist crafting tailor-made proposals in seconds. Yes, you heard it right, seconds. But wait, there's more. How does AIBidAssist change the game for freelancers and agencies? It's your time saver, productivity booster, quality enhancer, and the secret sauce for climbing Upwork's success ladder. Remember though, AI is the speedy vehicle, but you bring the personality. Your unique touch matters. At SJ Innovation, we're the tech magicians behind AIBidAssist, your ticket to Upwork stardom. Now, are you ready to kickstart your Upwork journey? Dive into AIBidAssist and shape your success story. Tap into our AI expertise. Connect with our wizards and unleash AIBidAssist's magic. Time to shine on Upwork. Start now. Let's make winning proposals the new norm. Join the AIBidAssist revolution today.